Hi guys, let's start today's topic, the assignment of the line chart and its solution. But before starting this assignment, let me ask you one question from you. The question is, are your dashboard still looking the basic even using the chart and the KPI? If is it not, you need to think again because the issue is not data. It's showing you a visualization, how you visualize it. So most of beginner create a line chart, but they miss the train storytelling and the KPI formatting. But imagine just your dashboard could show the performance and the insight in the second. So in this video, I will solve a real chart assignment and show the KPI formatting step by step. So if you want to create a beautiful dashboard that impress client and manager and your interviewer, so keep watching till the end. Come on the screen please. So let's suppose you're walking somewhere. I just give you a scenario and you get a message like this from the BI analyst. Actually, you have already created the lots of assignment earlier, so they will appreciate your work, and then they want some more weekly line chart in the customer base table. As you're aware, we have created the 4 multiple reports. If you are not aware that, you can go through my last video and check that. So they want it, and also want the zoom bar to make the interactive and the formatting to the tooltip to match the line chart and the executive dashboard. This actually they want in the our assignment. So what do you have the key objective? Your key objective is like you need to add the line chart to the customer detail reports and showing total customer by the week. The first thing is this. Second one, what you want add a line chart and zoom slicer to add the x-axis and enable the tooltip and the formatting to match the line chart in the executive dashboard. So that thing we actually did the same in the previous video. So we can use that one also, or we can use another new from the scratch. So let me open the Power BI and do that together. Open the Power BI. Okay, so that same line chart we have already created. I have already created this line one and the zoom slicer also. So that same formatting we did earlier and spend 10-15 minutes for this formatting parts. If you want to check how we format this, you can go in the previous video and check it out. So in this assignment, let's do one thing for saving our time. Let's copy it and paste it in the another detail, right? So I have the pasted here. What actually they want the customer revenue. So here the total revenue. So what I did, I just remove the total revenue from here and search the customer. Let's zoom a little bit and search the total customer from here, right? So this is the total customer. Let's search it from here and paste it here, right? So all would be done like this, but this one thing, you need to update this weekly revenue to a weekly customer. So simply what you need to go there in the formatting part and go there in this, check where is the your formatting available. In the title you can put the revenue to the customer. So we can put the weekly customer, right? So we put the weekly customer over there. So that slowly we can do like that. Okay, now it's the chart, line chart. We'll do the formatting in this also. Go to the line, go to the color, and color, let's do it a black one, right? So already told you we're formatting with the last time. If you are not aware, you can go there. Otherwise you can do the tooltips. Click here, go there in the tooltips and search it, right? This one actually I did the text color, I did the black, sorry, this one, and the color I took this and this color, this and background is this one, transparent is a 10%, which is this one. So that actually I did, that is our total assignment. What is the solution? Solution part is, if I just go to the solution one, that was like this, I basically want. So that thing I did. Let's do one more thing. We need to create one more some KPI thing, and let's formatting of it. So for starting it, let me open the Power BI and we do some formatting in this. Jump on the Power BI executive, right? And do one thing. Let's let's search the KPI from here, this one, and put little bit here and there, whatever you want. Okay. And that, let's suppose I want to create it three KPI. One is revenue, one is order, one is return, and put the three KPI over there in the chart, under this chart, right? So let's search is the total revenue. Total revenue is this one. Put it in the value and put it the your start of the month from the calendar table. Already we have created this in the previous video. How to create it, you can check it in your previous video. Start of the month. Okay, let it take it. So it would be like this, right? And let's take the target. Target is what? Target is a previous one target. Let's take it the previous one target. Previous month revenue. This one. We'll take it. See, now I take the target and the revenue and go to the KPI like this. Let's do more formatting in this. First, let's change the name of the as a monthly revenue like this. So click in this, go to the formatting part. In the journal, there is a title. In the title, let's uh, remove as a monthly revenue. Remove all the thing which you have. Put it in the center. Okay, and do little more formatting in this. Let some bold color, or do one thing, take this color, this one. Okay, and put some decrease this one, maybe 10. Whatever you want, you can take it. I'm doing it as I want. Okay, let's do some more formatting in this. Let's go there, visual, and put it here as a this one, and some increase a little bit of it, maybe 30. Yeah, I put it 30. So that slowly you can do like this, a formatting part also. Let's me do that thing. Okay, so let's more format it, and let's do one thing. So you can also check what actually you want. You can simply prepare it. I'm doing, and if you want to create some more formatting, you can do also as you want. So let's train access, collaboration menu, train access, train access. Okay, now is it perfectly fine. Is a good color is a green, and this is normal, and if there's a problem is the if some is alarming situation would be the red color. but let's took this time is a food color is a black, natural color is the black, and high is the value here. Transparency, let's took it as a 10, right? So let's do that, and we'll do one thing. In the label target, we put as a 9 over the little small, right? And put as a goal to previous month, because target is our previous month target, right? Slowly you just created that kind of uh, chart like this KPI. Okay, let's format it a little bit more so that it can be more visible like this. Okay, so let's put it here in the under this, copy and paste another one, copy and paste another one also. See, so that I have already created 3 KPI card over there. That is monthly revenue. Second would be the like order. So we remove the total revenue from here. Let's take the total order of it here. Put the total order. Remove it. Put the total order from here like this. It is in the K. Let's change it little bit. This visual. All I'll do formatting the part. Let's put it first as a total would be the return. We'll take it. So slowly you also do that. What I'm doing, the all return will take it, right? Or maybe we have the total return also. Oh, total spending is little big. I will change it. Total return, right? And we'll do it target previous month revenue return like this. Okay, let's format it more. In the total return, let's click here, go there, journal, title. Now this time is a not revenue, this is a order. Okay, and click here. This time is a return, right? Put R capital over there. See. So that thing we did actually. One more thing, let's change it here. If you could, channel, title. I want is display values would be none, and put it as 0 over there, right? So the value is the order is the number, that would be okay. And is the return value side, put the none, 0. Okay, that thing I think I'm done. One more thing I would like to add here. Let me check. Property title, formatting part. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll change one more thing here. in the direction we can do the in the visual train in the trained access. This one maybe will take a low to high, because the return as much as we do as low would be the very beneficial for us. So that is the main KPI thing we can do like this on the formatting part, which I want, right? So slowly you can just move toward like this. We can just little board so it would be more visible. See, so that thing we done. I'll save this, right? And I hope you understand this formatting part. I just did very slow so that you can make understand about this part. Let's do one thing. Let's take a one assignment in coming video. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, take care.